Hi guys, just want to share this with you. I bought a retail box of Fleer Metal 96 and 97, and I guess many of you will have never seen this before, and I think this is one of the coolest sets all time made, and we don't lose time because it's a lot of packs. We just bust through this, and you will very, very quickly see why I love these cards so much. That's why you see this. Those are great looking cards. They are so flashy. I love those cards, yeah. Okay, Sam Cassell base card. Gary Payton base card. This is a subset. Luke Longley, good old Bulls base cards. These are base cards, you know, these really cool looking base cards. Bloody Divat. This is a subset, just a subset card, but great looking. Jim Jackson. Oh, Jim Jackson, that's LaFonso Ellis. Yes, great cards. I don't expect anything great of this box. All I want is a Kobe Bryant rookie card. Yeah, I can pull an MVP rookie card out of this pack because Kobe was in Series 1. He was also part of a subset that year. So I should pull one of him. Then, what have we here? Aaron McKee is with the Grizzlies now. Sharon Wright. Charles Barkley, that's so great. Oh, what is this? What is this? This looks like an insert card. Metal Edge, Alonzo Mourning. You see this? Metal Edge, yes. First insert. Great. And so. Kurt Brandon and Elden Campbell. Let's get through this, baby. I love to bust the product of 96, 97. Yeah, as I said, there's Kobe Bryant rookie card supposed to be in this set. There's Ray Allen as well. So what have we got here? Oh! Rick Fox. And here's a Steve Nash Fresh Foundation rookie card. Great! Steve Nash, another MVP. John Howard, Kurt Thomas, Horace Grant, Dave Davis. Great. Steve Nash, yeah, those nice cards, nice cards. I really miss those 90 sets with inserts, no stupid game used, the player never wore actually. No autographs, no. Another Steve Nash, look at this. Steve Nash again. 2 Steve Nash rookies, not too bad. Juwan Howard, Nick Anderson, Antonio Davis, Eddie Jones, good old Eddie Jones, and Rick Fox. Let's keep busting. Maybe I will split this break because I know I take a long time, because I enjoy the break so much. I really love those old school cards. What have we got here? Glenn Robinson. Woo! Michael Jordan metallized. This is so cool. Oh, what is this? Hopefully not a redemption card. Bobby Phillips. What is this? Oh, cool. A Houston Rockets Hakeem Olajuwon sticker. Nick Van Exel. Glenn Robinson. Latrell Sprewell, also cool. And here's MJ metallized. How cool are those cards? I love this. I love this. I really enjoy this. What? Who's next? Who's next? Where's my Kobe? Where's my Kobe Bryant? Yeah. This is Theo Ratliff. Metalized Steve Smith. On the move, Stacey Augman. Billy Owens, Steve Smith, metalized. Dino Raja, and Mark Jackson on the move. Great looking cards, my friends. Oh, on the move. What have we got? Robert Ory. Oh, this is a little bit damaged. Jamal Mashburn, Bryant, another one hiding behind Bryant. Those cards are sticking together. Actually, Peter Schramm here. You know that's a threat. Yes, you do know. It's the big brother of Dirk Nowitzki, if you want so. And Alan Houston. Oh, I was a big fan of Alan Houston as well. Not too much insert cards in here, and no autographs, no game use, no numbered cards. This is a sort of retail, good old retail. Jalen Rose. Okay, Jalen Rose on the move. Gary Trent. John Stockton here, the master of dimes. Joe Smith, I think it's Joe Smith, sticker. Metalized Tim Hardaway and David Robinson. How great were these times when players like that were playing? Okay. What else have we got? Oh, I love this player so much. Here is Big Country Bryant Reeves. Just right in front of Alonzo Mourning. John Starks from Knicks. Metal Shredders, Shaquille O'Neal. Metal Shredders. And checklist, Bob Sora. Okay, I'm sorry, I will make a quick break.